Science fans, how are you this morning? Okay, we're back in action with a very easy, super cool, really fun to watch science experiment. Now, I'll give you a clue as to what's going to happen in this jar. It's something that you see on the 4th of July, something that involves a lot of colors and a lot of noise. Up in the sky. Did I hear you say fireworks? Oh my gosh, you're the smartest children ever. Yes, fireworks. Now, what made me think of this experiment is I was dreaming of summer and thinking about the 4th of July and how much I love to watch fireworks, but the noise, just too much. So I did a little research and I found a way to make fireworks happen in a jar. And the best part, they're really beautiful, but they're not loud. Yay. All right, let's get to it. So in this jar, I have filled it up about 3/4 of the way with warm water. Okay, so you might need a grown-up to help you pour that just because you want to be safe. And then I have 1, 2, 3 bowls. And in each bowl, I have about 4 tablespoons of oil. Now this can be vegetable oil, you can try olive oil, whatever oil you have on hand, give it a try because that's what we like to do in science is just try things, see if it works. This happens to be vegetable oil. Okay, so into each bowl, you're going to add the color of the firework you would like to make. So in this first bowl, I have the color red, you got it. In this middle bowl, I have the color blue, good job. Okay, and now into this last one, I'm going to add, what color is this? This one's a little tricky in food coloring because it looks orange, but really it's yellow. So I'm going to just add 4 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you'll notice something very interesting when you add the drops into the oil, but I'm not going to tell you yet because I don't want to give it away. It's a great discovery for you to make on your own. So after you have the drops in the oil, you're just gently going to give it a stir. And you'll start to see bubbles, so you want to make the smallest bubbles you can. Okay, so you keep stirring until you see many, many, many small bubbles of color. Right, give blue a little extra stir. There we go, and red. Now, do you know why I'm using these 3 colors? Can anybody guess? Think back to other experiments we did. Yellow, red, and blue have a special name in the color world, and they're called what? Oh my goodness, you are very smart. Yes, they are primary colors. Primary colors like to work as a team, which is always nice because we like teamwork. And they like to work as a team to create something called what? Do you remember? Oh my goodness, you're dazzling me today. Yes, secondary colors. So let's see what happens. All right. So we have our colors already, our warm water's in the jar, and here we go. Woo. We are going to gently pour a color in to our jar. Okay, get ready, everyone. Geez, I hope this doesn't explode. Ooh. There goes red. Do this really slowly, okay? Now these little drops, you're going to see them go into the water and not think much is happening, but just give it a second. Okay, so there goes red. Here comes blue. Hello, Mr. Blue. You have fun in there now. Get busy. Okay, there goes blue. And don't forget me, says yellow. Okay, yellow, do your stuff. There they go. All right, everybody's in and things are happening. Oh my gosh, can you see things are happening? Ah, I can't move fast enough. Okay, look. Now, this is kind of neat. So what you're going to do is just watch and wait. Do you see? Oh my gosh, what's happening in the water? I'm going to try to keep my shirt behind it so you can see it better. Oh my gosh. What colors are you seeing, everybody? What colors are you seeing? I'm seeing yellow and blue and red are primary colors, but now I'm starting to see a little hint of green and maybe some orange and purple. Is that you? This is awesome. Oh my gosh, you guys, science is the coolest thing ever. Look at it. The best part is it's moving really slowly, kind of like when fireworks float gracefully back down to the ground. So it's really kind of mesmerizing to watch. It's very neat. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Look at it. And the best part is they're not booming noisy. Those are my favorite kind of fireworks right there. Wow. Okay, so let's get to the learning part of this. Just doing the experiment teaches us so much from start to finish. We're learning, learning, learning. Now the science behind making fireworks in a jar is called liquid density. Say that one with me. Liquid density. What does that even mean? Oh my goodness. So what it is, it's a little bit of physics, which is a kind of part of science, and it's a little bit of chemistry, which is another part of science. So what we've added is oil and water. And if we think back to other experiments we've done, oil and water are really good friends, but they don't always mix well. So what happens is the water is actually heavier than the oil. So the water went in the jar first. And then when we added the oil is lighter, so it kind of just floated on the top a little bit. But as it did, don't forget, food coloring in liquid form is mostly made up of water. So that water, although the colors in the oil sat on top of the water, they were made of water. Each color started to sink, because it's heavier than the oil it was in. There it goes. And as it goes down, they start to swirl and mix. So what you're seeing is not actually the oil mixing with the water, it's the water and the food coloring mixing. Ooh. So super cool. Oh my gosh, say it with me, guys. Science is so cool. Okay, try this at home. And if you do it, please, please, please let us know, because we love to hear from you and see all you're doing at home. All right, take care. Talk to you soon. Have fun doing science. Bye.